My screen is visible, right? Anyone confirm me?
Yes, Anna, it is visible.
Yes, Anna.
Okay. So earlier we have created one new journal and we have reversed it as a switch debit and credit. Now we will create one more journal and we will reverse it as a change sign. For creating of journal, just create a journal, select our accounting period, enter the journal name. JV means journal voucher 0564. Category you can select anything, like what is the category, what is the purpose of this journal. So we need to give debit amount here. So we have entered the line details as well as the header details. Now we are creating as an adjustment. Journal is gap test JV54. First we will create and post it. Then we will reverse it with the method of change sign. How this change sign will change it. Okay. Click on save, complete, and click on post. Selected for the posting. No need to go back and every time. It will take 30 to 40 seconds. One second, I am getting a call. Yeah. Sorry for this. Navigate into the manage journals. Select our period name. Search. We have created a adjustment. This one is 5000. Gap test JV 54. Click on select that one. So we want to reverse this journal. To reverse the journal, in the header level, there is a show more option. Click on show more and select the reversal period. Earlier we have selected switch debit and credit. We have seen the result. Now we will select the change sign. The journal action, it is grayed out. Click on save. Now you will get a reverse option. Click on reverse. It was selected for reverse. Done. Click on manage journals. Select the period. See, this is the reverses journal the system has created. See, have you observed this? In the debit one, there is a negative sign with the minus sign. That means మనం ముందు ఏదైతే పోస్ట్ చేసామో 5000 తో ఇప్పుడు ఇది నెగటివ్ అమౌంట్ తో నలిఫై అయిపోయింది. దట్ మీన్స్ ద జనరల్ బ్యాలెన్సెస్ ఆర్ జీరో. It is not going to impact for our P&L account as well as the balance sheet. No need to worry about this. We want to list this originating journal. A journal ki reverse అయిందని చూడడానికి show more. Originating journal is the gap test JV54. If you want to see the transaction accounts, click on the view T accounts. For which account it was created, for which account it was. This 8145 is a gap table. This one is normal journal చేసినప్పుడు గ్యాప్ టేబుల్ అకౌంట్ డెబిటర్ టు క్యాష్, బట్ ఇది రివర్స్ చేసినాం కదా, అందుకు క్యాష్ డెబిట్ అయింది, టేబుల్ క్రెడిట్ అయింది, రివర్స్ చేసింది. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ప్రాక్టీసింగ్, కీప్ ఆన్ ప్రాక్టీసింగ్, ఈ ఆప్షన్స్ అన్ని మీరు చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. షో మోర్ లో ఏం ఆప్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఇక్కడ ఏమి మ్యాండేటరీ ఫీల్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో విల్ గెట్ వన్ ఐడియా. సో దిస్ ఈస్ రిగార్డింగ్ అబౌట్ ద జర్నల్ రివర్సల్. Now we will create one foreign currency journal. See, definitely there would be some foreign currency journals in the real time scenarios, because of the big organization will purchase material from other countries. So we need to enter that data into the system. How the system will know that this is a foreign currency journal? System ki ela telustundi idi foreign currency journal ani. Currency enter cheyangane ikkada system lo currency untadi kada, ఈ కరెన్సీ బట్టి ఇప్పుడు ఫంక్షనల్ కరెన్సీ మన లెడ్జర్ కరెన్సీ ఐఎన్ఆర్. ఇక్కడ ఐఎన్ఆర్ ఎంటర్ చేయగానే ఇది ఫంక్షనల్ కరెన్సీ అంటే లెడ్జర్ కరెన్సీ. దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ ఫారిన్ కరెన్సీ జర్నల్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ లోకల్ కరెన్సీ జర్నల్. సపోజ్ నువ్వు యుఎస్ నుండి మెటీరియల్ కొన్నావు, యుఎస్ లో మనము యుఎస్ కరెన్సీలో సేవ్ చేసుకోవాలా. సో అట్ ద టైమ్ హౌ ద సిస్టమ్ నో దట్ యుఎస్సి కరెన్సీ ఎంత, యుఎస్సి కన్వర్షన్ రేట్ టైప్, ఇవాళ రేట్ ఎంత ఉంది, మార్కెట్ రేటు. So all these systems we need to define in the application. Foreign currency journals ante manam eppudaithe we are purchasing some material or goods, if you are making transactions to the other country other than our ledger currency, then it is a foreign currency journal. Even foreign currency journals aina manam system lo data ni track chesukovala. Foreign currency cheyalante first manamu corporate rate define cheyala system lo. Corporate rate, exchange rate type and daily rates. ఇవన్నీ డిఫైన్ చేస్తేనే the system will allow us to create the foreign currency journals. Otherwise it will not allow us to create the foreign currency journals. I will show you in the system how we will define the corporate rate, exchange rate type and daily rates, as well as the foreign currency journal. To define a daily rate, the navigation is setup and maintenance. Financials. Under financials, functional area, select the financial reporting structure and click on the manage conversion rate types. See, earlier we have created chart of account, calendar, currency. Now we are going to define the rate types. Already these are all the predefined rate types. We have different types of exchange rate types. Exchange rate types are of corporate rate, market rate, end user rate, and one more rate, spot. Corporate rate ante daily manaki stock exchange jarugutuntadi kada, it will be decided by the exchange rate, which is decided by the governing body of the organization. Corporate rate ante వాళ్ళ కంపెనీ వాళ్ళు ఏ రేట్ అయితే డిఫైన్ చేసుకుంటారో దాన్ని కార్పొరేట్ రేట్ అంటారు. మార్కెట్ రేట్ మీన్స్ an exchange rate which is decided by the governing body. సేమ్ లైక్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ రేట్, డైలీ మార్కెట్ రేట్స్ ఫ్లక్చుయేట్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి కదా యూఎస్ కరెన్సీకి. సో ఆ రోజు రేట్ ఏది ఉంటే అది మార్కెట్ రేట్. ఎండ్ యూజర్ రేట్ అంటే at the time of entering transaction the end user will decide the conversion rate. Whatever the end user will enter in the application, that is the end user rate. Spot rate, we will discuss later about the spot rate. First we need to define the corporate rate type. Already predefined spot exchange rate undi, so we will use the same corporate only, that is spot exchange rate. Daily rates, once if we define the spot rate, then we will go with the daily rates. From functional currency to foreign currency, we are going to create a journal. That means we know the currency rate, how much is there. From currency is Indian currency and foreign currency is the US dollar. What is the today rate? Rate is the 60. If 1 rupee equal to US rate is a 60. If you want to create our own rates, if you want to create a daily rates in the system, there is an option called create in spreadsheet. Click on create in spreadsheet. It will download a one template. Open the template and define the conversion rates. How much is the rate today? Here there is no any ledger. Earlier for spreadsheet we have a all these details, ledger details, company segments, everything. For updating of daily rates, no need all these things. Just we need to enter the from currency and to currency and conversion rate. What is the conversion rate? From conversion to conversion date. What is our functional currency? Our functional currency is a INR. And to currency is the USD. Conversion rate is the conversion rate type. We will select as a spot from conversion date. From today onwards, we want to convert it. Otherwise, from yesterday date, we will give 040222. Up to this month, we will give.
మళ్ళీ అది ఎత్తటో తెలియదు నాకు ఇప్పుడు చెప్పినాడు.
What is the conversion rate? What is the conversion rate today? 80 something, right? Inverse rate will create automatically once we update in the submit. Okay, just give all these details from currency to currency, conversion rate type. This is the conversion rate type. From conversion date to conversion and conversion rate. Once give all these parameters, click on submit. Automatically submit daily rates in the import program. Okay. The number of records successfully inserted. Click on OK. I'll put it this page as like this only. I will show you in the application where it will reflect. Daily rates. Now we have created this one like 80 rate now. That is the system. The system is displaying here. Now we will navigate into the journals to create a foreign currency journal. Navigate into the journal accounting dashboard and journals. Click on map, create journal. Select the February period. Enter as a gap foreign currency journal. Foreign JV. Select anything here, addition or adjustment, anything, category. Currency. See, if it is a local currency, local transaction, local purchase, you can enter as the Indian currency. If it is a foreign currency journal, then we need to select as a which currency you want to select. US dollars. We have defined the conversion rate type for a US dollar. What is the conversion rate type we have created? Spot. Inverse conversion rate is 0. See, we have entered the conversion rate 0. That is the reason here it is coming 80. You can enter anything like gap material or software expenses, rent. I will give it as a see here. Once if you select the currency as a US dollar, here entered and accounted, the two lines will come. If there is a local currency, functional currency, here only the accounted and entered only INR లోనే ఉంటది. ఇక్కడ two fields యాడ్ అవుతాయి. ఒకటి entered currency as well as accounted. So you need to notice that ఇక్కడ entered accounted ఉందంటే ఇది ఫారిన్ కరెన్సీ జర్నల్ అంట. కరెన్సీ కూడా మనం USD US డాలర్ ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నాం. These type of journals is called a foreign currency journals. Save, complete and post it. This JV has been posted. Like we have completed the foreign currency journals also. creating a foreign currency journals, we need to define a conversion rate type and daily rate. So another topic is pending, that is creation of journals in FBDI template. FBDI template is nothing but a file-based data import template. FBDI journals is nothing but a creating journals with the FBDI template is nothing but a file-based data import journals. It is used to upload the high volume of data, bulk data. How we are updating, how we are going to upload that FBDI template, I will show in the application. As of now, we have created manually create manual journals as well as create journals in spreadsheet. There is a one more option called import journals from other source legacy system or from FBDI templates. If there are very high much like a very bulk data is there to import journals from FBDI templates, we will import from here. That means we will cover creating of manual journals, spreadsheet journals as well as FBDI journals. To create FBDI journals, what are the setups we need to perform? We need to download the template from first. After downloading the template from Google Chrome, fill the data. After filling the data, validate the data. After validating the data, convert that FBDI template into CSV file. Generate the template into CSV file. After generating that template into CSV file, upload into UCM folder. Once if we uploaded that into UCM folder, then upload into interface tables, like load interface for upload into interface tables. After uploading into interface tables, then we need to download that data from interface tables to application. Import the journals. After importing of journals, host the journals. So these are all the setups will be available for uploading journals, like uploading journals or importing journals from FBDI template. What is the main difference between EBS and Fusion is, earlier if you want to upload this bulk data, definitely there should be a technical team. Without technical team, we are not able to upload high volume of data into application. But in the Fusion, what is the advance is, even like functional consultant, only the functional consultant can upload this template without writing any SQL queries or no need to map these templates. EBS అయితే చాలా కష్టం ఉంటుండే. ఏదైనా డేటాను అప్లోడ్ చేయాలంటే EBS మనం ఈ డేటాను అంతా మనము క్లయింట్ దగ్గర తీసుకొని మళ్ళీ మనం టెక్నికల్ టీం వాళ్ళకి ఇస్తే వాళ్ళు SQL క్వైరీస్ రాసి దాన్ని సంథింగ్ రనా హ్యావ్ మచ్ ఐడియా అబౌట్ దిస్ EBS. వాళ్ళు ఇంటర్ఫేస్ టేబుల్స్ లోకి లింక్ చేయాలంటే SQL క్వైరీ రావాలి. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ టేబుల్ నుండి మళ్ళీ ఇంపోర్ట్ చేయాలంటే సంథింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ రన్ చేయాలి బ్యాక్ ఎండ్. So it is a lengthy process in the EBS. Whereas in Fusion, No need to write any queries, no need to write any SQL programs. Just ఒక టెంప్లెట్ ఫిల్ చేసి అప్లోడ్ చేసి ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసుకోవడమే. It is a time consuming process as well as the resource also. That is the big advantage. Even Fusion major గా క్లిక్ అవడానికి కూడా ఈ FBDI templates main. How we will download, I will show you in the Chrome. Just click as a journal FBDI template. Here there is a docsoracle.com. Click on the journal import. Here there is a Excel SM template. Link is journal import template. Click on the journal import template. So this is also one template. ఇక్కడ స్ప్రెడ్షీట్ కి మనకి ADFDI కి ADFDI స్ప్రెడ్షీట్ జర్నల్స్ కి FBDI టెంప్లెట్స్ కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏమంటే ఇక్కడ నువ్వు ఎంటర్ చేయాలంటే యూజర్ కి మన అప్లికేషన్ కి యాక్సెస్ ఉండాలా. సో హీ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు ఎంటర్ ద డేటా. FBDI టెంప్లెట్ కి యూజర్ తోటి యాక్సెస్ అవసరం లేదు. జస్ట్ ఇది గూగుల్ క్రోమ్ లో నుండి మనం డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకొని క్లయింట్ ని మనం ఫిల్ చేయమంటాం ఈ డేటాను అంతా. I will show you enable editing. I will open one more time. Doubt. క్లిక్ దీని మీద క్లిక్ చేయగానే ఆటోమేటిక్ గా మనకి డౌన్లోడ్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇక్కడికి ఈ పేజ్ కి జంప్ అయింది. క్లిక్ ఆన్ ఎనేబుల్ ఎడిటింగ్. So we will create a one journal for testing purpose. Select all the remaining data. This is all the data for reference purpose. అంటే ఎప్పుడైనా కానీ మనకి న్యూ అప్లోడ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఈ డేటా ఒరాకిల్ గానే ప్రీ డిఫైన్డ్ ఉంటుంది. We can remove all this data. We will keep it as a two lines. One is for debit line, one is for credit line. Hundreds of journals, thousands of journals మనం FBDI టెంప్లెట్ ద్వారా అప్లోడ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఆల్ దీస్ జర్నల్స్ వీ కెన్ అప్లోడ్ వన్ అట్ ఏ టైం. కానీ నువ్వు మాన్యువల్ గా నువ్వు క్రియేట్ జర్నల్స్ లోకి వెళ్ళి చేయాలంటే ఇన్ని జర్నల్స్ ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ టైం. దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ ద ఒరాకిల్ అప్లికేషన్ invented as a FBDI templates. So So we need to identify what are the fields are mandatory here: status code, ledger ID, journal date, journal source, as well as journal category, currency code, journal entry creation date. So one by one, we will enter all these details. Status code is new. Keep it as a new only. Ledger ID. So we need to identify the ledger ID here. What is our ledger ID? How we can identify the ledger ID? For that, navigate into the application. Navigate into the setup and maintenance. Select as a financials. Select the general ledger. Select the manage primary ledgers. And what is your ID? Gap. Select our primary ledger. Select this and click on the view button. Click on view. Click on columns. Select the ledger ID. It will show our ledger ID. Copy this one. Post the ledger ID. Effective start date is, we will enter it as a today's date, 05. Journal source. Journal source, we can create our own journal source, or it is a predefined journal source. If you want to create our own journal source, navigate into the search page, click on search, manage journal source. If you want to create our own journal source, click on add, gap, import for naming conversion, or else gap journal import. Source key everywhere is same, description same. Previous journals no, accounting data role is role data. Import journal references. Import journal references. If you enable this tick box, then this source will allow us to import the journal from other source like FBDI templates and legacy system. Require journal approval. It is a different task like journal approvals. We will discuss later. Import using key as a enable this. Click on save and close. We want one more, there is a one more category is also mandatory field. I will leave it as a manual. Then navigate into the journal source. What is the journal source we have created? Gap journal import is one of the journal source. Journal category we have selected as a manual. What is our currency? INR. Journal entry creation date is today's date. So we have to know this segment codes. How many segments we have? Company, division, location, department, and account. So segment 001, 001, 001. So which one we are going to create? So we'll create for 14100. So remaining up to 30 segments we can create. Up to 30 segments we can create. We have created only the 5 segments. Entered amount is 10,000. Remaining all these details are not mandatory. I am going to remove all this. The debit line we have entered, and we need to enter for the credit line. Ledger ID is same. Effective date is same. I think I need to share one more link because of it will take 5 minutes time. I will share the link. Please join in that link. We can complete this session today.